Introduction to Docker installation.
Docker is a powerful platform for developing, shipping, and running applications in containers. Whether you use Windows, Mac, or Linux, you can quickly set up Docker and start using containers for your projects. This guide will walk you through the installation process, step by step, for each major operating system. Let's get started.
Installing Docker on Windows.
To install Docker on Windows, first ensure your system runs Windows 10 64-bit or later. Visit the official Docker website and download Docker Desktop for Windows. Run the installer and follow the prompts, allowing required components. Once the installation completes, Docker Desktop can be started from the Start menu. You may need to restart your computer to finish the setup.
Installing Docker on Mac.
For Mac users, download Docker Desktop for Mac from the official Docker website. Open the downloaded file and drag the Docker icon into your Applications folder. Launch Docker Desktop and follow any on-screen setup instructions. Docker Desktop requires macOS 10.15 or newer and supports both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs. Once running, Docker can be accessed from the menu bar.
Installing Docker on Linux.
To install Docker on Linux, open a terminal. For Ubuntu-based distributions, enter sudo apt-get update. Then sudo apt-get install docker.io. For other distributions, follow Docker's official Linux installation guides for tailored steps. After installation, use systemctl to start the Docker service and add your user to the Docker group for easier use. Verify installation with docker-version.
Verifying and troubleshooting your installation.
After setup, test Docker by opening a terminal or command prompt and entering docker run hello world. This command downloads a test image and confirms Docker runs correctly. If you encounter errors, check your system's virtualization settings and ensure necessary permissions. Consult Docker's documentation for help with troubleshooting or for details about updating and uninstalling Docker when needed.